Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the delivery address that you have set up within your H&M account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in hm.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official H&M website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to change the delivery address that you have set up within your account, click on My Account at the top section. This will then take you into your account settings page, within which, if you click on Account Settings, you will see the My Details as well as various other settings. Now scroll underneath and you will find the address option. Click on Edit at the right side and you will find all of the addresses that you have added within your account within this page. You can click on the Add New Address option or directly delete the old one first. If you click on Add New Address, you will be asked to enter your full details. Enter your first and your last name, followed by your street address, the apartment number, as well as your postcode, your city and your state. After entering all of these and choosing your country, you can choose Use as Default and then click on the Save button. Once you have saved your desired new address, you can delete the old one from the addresses menu. And now, this new address will be added as your default delivery address. And every time you make your purchase, you will be able to choose this one for a shortcut. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your delivery address on your H&M account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.